If your CEM Smart System 5 displays a thermal overload or the instrument shuts off unexpectedly, verify that the fuses are not blown. First thing to do is turn the instrument off and unplug the power cord. Bring the instrument to the very end of the table for this next step, as it will help with leverage. Grab a flathead screwdriver and pop the fuse holder out. Inside are two 10 amp fuses rated at 250 volts AC. The fuse holder has both a 100 to 120 volt and a 200 to 240 volt rating. So no matter where in the world you are located, this instrument can accommodate your power needs. On the fuse box at the back of the instrument, there is a small arrow on the right side pointing in where the fuse holder goes in. This arrow indicates what voltage rating will be used. Since we're in the US, we'll be popping the fuse holder back in with the 100 to 120 volt rating on the right side. Just slide the fuse holder back in place until it snaps in, and you're done.
Thanks for watching. If you're in the market for a top quality moisture solid analyzer, balance, or scale, be sure to check out our vast selection on our website, lissci.com. We've got new and reconditioned options available to suit your needs. And if you've got any instruments that need servicing or regular scheduled preventative maintenance, reach out to us at info@lissci.com or fill out our service request form on the website. We look forward to helping you get the most out of your equipment. Have a great day.